Alright guys, so today I'm back with another video, and today we're down here once again at the Kalamazoo River. And I know you guys may be wondering why I've done my past two videos here. Honestly, the truth is, ever since I caught that carp in the last video, I've just been dying to come down here again. And today I finally found an opportunity to do that. So I got some worms with me, and we're gonna try to catch a few more carp. I really want to break my PB, which is 13 pounds. So I'm gonna get my rods ready and we're just gonna get started. Alright guys, so just like last time, I'm gonna be starting off with a slip sinker rig and a night crawler at the end. This is what I caught the carp on in the last video, so I'm gonna try it again. And we're just gonna cast this out in some different spots and we'll see if we can hook into some fish. Guys, I think we might have something. My line just flew down towards me. Yeah, we've got a fish. I'm gonna let him eat it. He is taking line insanely fast. I'm just gonna let him eat it for a minute, get this camera turned on, and then we'll set the hook. Okay, let's go. It's a tree branch, isn't it? Sure feels like it. I guess it could be a very lazy fish, but I highly doubt it. Oh, that is a fish. That is a huge fish. Yo, what could this be? I'm so confused. Please don't come off. Oh man. Oh, this thing is pulling. I can't stop it. No. Don't go down that way, buddy. Turn your head up this way. My heart is pounding right now. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's another carp. That actually makes a lot of sense. I thought I was snagged. Jeez, man, this carp. These carp today, they're insane. I don't want to lose them. Oh no, he just popped off. Oh no, he just popped off. No. Oh, that was so close. I almost had him. Oh, popped off at the last second. Well, the only thing we can do now is rebait our hook and hope we hook another one, I guess. I genuinely thought I was snagged. Oh, that's fish, that's fish. I might have a second shot at this. He is tearing line so fast. All right, let's set the hook. There he is. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a very nice fish. Probably another carp. You can feel the head shakes. Just drag a little bit. This is insane. The action today. Literally have the rod jammed in my chest and I can't move them. I don't think it's as big as the one I had on last time, but it's definitely not a bad fish. No, not that way, not that way. As much as I want to muscle them in, I shouldn't. Yo, these things fight so hard. It is unbelievable. I think he's hooked all right. Come on. No, don't you dare make another run. Oh, there it is. We got him. He's not very big, but that was a fight. Oh, I tell ya, ever since I caught one of these, I've loved catching them. Like last summer, that one just fought so hard. I've always wanted to catch more of them. Let me tell ya, that was a fight. Circle hooks are doing a great job. Right in the bottom or the corner of the mouth. Every time. There he is, guys. Another quality fish, 7.5 pounds. And we're gonna let him go now, so. Oh, that's another fish. Yep, for sure. This action is so ridiculous. Yep, there it is. He's on. That's definitely another carp. He's stuck though on something. Just gotta try to muscle him out. Oh, there he is. Okay, I got him out. There he is. He's moving downstream. No. I'm literally doing everything I can right now to turn this thing's head, and I cannot move him. It's definitely a carp. I can see him out there. He's pretty big too. Don't make any last moves. Oh, he's coming in. Don't you dare get snagged on that branch. No, no, no. Come on. So close. There he is. Oh, there it is. Let's go. Another one. This one's definitely a bigger fish. He's not as fat, but he's definitely a lot bigger than the other ones. All right, let's get the grippers here. Right bottom of the mouth again. Yeah, that is a nice fish. There he is, guys. Another great quality carp. This one is 10.5 pounds about. And yeah, he was a fun fight. He put up a great fight, but I'm gonna quick get a length measurement and then we're gonna release him. All right, let's get a quick length on him. 30 inches. Definitely a nice fish. Let's put him back now. The action just will not stop today. This is awesome. Okay, so my GoPro's on really low battery and I actually wasn't filming, but we just hooked another one. I just casted it out about 30 seconds ago, so we're gonna set the hook on this guy. Just need to tighten the drag a little bit. Yep, there he is. Not a very big one, but still kind of feels like another carp. Maybe a sucker or something, I don't know. Yeah, that's definitely a carp. The action is literally non-stop. And he's pulling me down the river again, but he's a small one, so... Oh, it is a sucker. That's cool, it's a red horse, I think. Or maybe it is a baby carp, I really can't tell. Nope, that's a sucker. All right, that's cool. Got a little variety in this video. I was wondering why he was fighting so weird, but not actually. I think this is a red horse, but I'm really not sure. But either way, another fish, and we're gonna throw him back. Well, time to get rebaited, and we'll see if we can catch a few more before the end of the day. Well guys, I've been out here for a few hours now. It's getting a little late and I should probably head home. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. Today's daily shout out goes to Casual Carolina Fishing. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.